How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. Need to make a survey or questionnaire? Here's how you can do that using Google Form. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up Google Form and then log in with your Google account. Now you can go ahead and start a new form from a blank form. You can also use a template from the template gallery. So from here, you can go ahead and look for a fitting template for your survey questionnaire. So, for example, the survey questionnaire would be for course evaluation. Simply select the specific template, and that will take you into the section. So, in here, you can go ahead and customize how this looks like, such as the questions for the survey along with the answers for the survey. You can then go ahead and check the responses into the section once the survey questionnaire has been published. So you can go ahead and create a Google Sheet linked to this specific survey questionnaire to be able to easily track the answers made for the survey questionnaire. And that is how you can create Google Form survey questionnaire.